Good morning, y'all, and welcome to today's episode of Kricket's Creations. We got a little windy one out here, but it is a beautiful day here in Ontario. And today we're going to be building Bridgette a little roadside flower stand. Got to get her off my back. She's been driving me nuts about this thing. So, she's picked up a bunch of wood yesterday. Morgan made us a little bracket here that we're going to use for putting these funny little wheels on. And now we're going to build the rest of the frame. We're basically going to make it like a little carny cart, if you will. Maybe tote some hot dogs around after she's done with it this season. So this should be a fun, easy one. Just quick, throw a little 2.5 by 5 foot frame up. We're going to build a little stand so you can set all the flowers there, put a roof on top, keep the sun away from them, and maybe people will drive by and buy something. Who knows? So let's run inside and see what Morgan whipped up for us as far as these brackets go. And then we'll dial back in on this and get this baby rolling. Hopefully we'll get it done today before this whole sun goes down.
We're here with the safe style. We're gonna be testing them out, cutting some stuff. They look pretty cool, actually. Are they ANSI rated?
Yeah.
Okay. Grinder and paint makes me the fabricator, ain't?
What's going on?
We're unchucking a bit. Everybody's so vulgar. It's so fucking vulgar. See what we got. Oh, look at that. We got perfect fittage. I love it when a plan comes together.
Now I just want to lend a little reminder that this channel is for the backyard build. We're not building the Taj Mahal out here, okay? So there's a motto that I need y'all to not forget, and it's that there's more than one way to skin a cat, okay? I don't care if you broke left when you should have went right, or you pizzaed when you should have French fried, or whatever it may have been. As long as in the end, the customer, in this case Moms, is happy, and the thing does its task, it doesn't matter how you got there, all right? You know what I mean. Just keep it to yourself and have some fun. Why you want to use nice bits, you know, fresh ones that aren't rounded off so you don't just like rip the end of your finger off. But anyway, back to work. is pretty much ready to go. Now it's time to put some canvas on top. Get it finished up. Got our money box bolted on here. Anyway, don't try and steal that. And yeah, chalkboard paint on the back, write some flowers and stuff. Fill this up with the party, and one more bit, we're ready for the streets. So I am generally pretty injury prone, but for some reason this damn thing is trying to take me down. I almost just lopped my thumb off too. So we got, it's kind of sick, at least it's those two fingers. Look at the bulbousness on this setup we got here. Man, cross your fingers I can finish this thing in one piece. Pretty much done here, but I had to bring out the big ticket for this. The only reason that you guys watch the channel. This one just showed up to help me purdy up this thing.
Howdy.
Taylor Francis, everybody, from Taylor's Travels. You. All right, so what are we doing here?
Well, just gonna like beautify it a little bit. Trying to make it very carnival-esque.
Yeah.
And so I'm thinking with this, we're gonna get some little wavy doily action going here. I might even find some spare fabric and like do some cool little bedazzles.
Whoa.
And then I'm just gonna paint like a little flower design on just the middle trim board.
Oh, okay. Well, and what's going back here? Because back here we've got chalkboard paint, so this is gonna be...
Oh yeah, chalkboard. We're gonna need some chalk.
For a day and 1/1000th, not a bad setup we got here for Bridgette.
Pretty good.
Thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed, hit that subscribe button. And I want to give a special shout out to any patrons that I have. Appreciate that, because all of Kricket's creations are done for free. So appreciate y'all. We'll see you on the next one.
Morgan, I really like those glasses. Are they from Safe Style?
I believe they are from Safe Style. They're really good. They're ANSI rated glasses, and they have a nice look to them, so you can use them in the shop, and you know, when there's nobody else around, you can just stare in the mirror and be like, I look awesome. Because they actually really do look cool. So you can click on the link in the description, and you might save some money, you might not. I don't really know. I'm not affiliated with the channel that much. I just work here, kind of. I'm not the big boss. So yeah, you could there'll be a link down there. Just click on it and see what happens. Check out their stuff. Safe Style.